How to find places lived information settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find places lived information settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here scroll down again, click profile information. And as you see here, you can find places lived. You can find here your current city and your hometown. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.